Haier presents Turbo Cool Series. Available in 1 and 1.5 capacity with 3-star ISEER rating and 2-ton capacity with 1-star rating. The range of capacities these ACs offer cater to small, medium and large-sized rooms, ranging from 100, 150 and 200 square feet respectively. Be sure to feel the chilled air in a minute, even at 54 degrees Celsius with this AC, as it is designed using a highly efficient cooling system. With this AC, you can enjoy fresh and cool air, as it utilizes a smart filtration system that removes airborne pollutants as well as allergens. Its smooth and high-end motor operates on a lower noise level, enabling you to get the better of both interruption and cooling. Get cool air even at a distance of 50 feet from the AC. Its long air throw supports uniform air distribution to cool the area effectively. It uses a R32 green refrigerant that does not hamper the natural surrounding around you. The unit comes with a 1-year warranty on product and 6-year warranty on compressor. Get this product on Amazon. You can pay online with your debit or credit card.